Welcome back, Money Maestro subscribers. Today's featured video is packed with valuable insights on financial growth, crypto, the stock market, making money online, and financial planning. As always, we've got the latest tips and tricks to help you achieve financial success. In this video, we'll start by discussing the recent trends in the world of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular coins. We'll also dive into the stock market and analyze the current state of the economy. Whether you're an experienced investor or just getting started, this segment is a must-watch. Next, we'll explore various ways to make money online, from affiliate marketing to e-commerce. Our experts will share their insights on what works and what doesn't, so you can avoid the common pitfalls and maximize your earnings potential. Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, and its value has been highly volatile over the years. It hit an all-time high of nearly $65,000 in April 2021 before dropping significantly. Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency, known for its smart contract capabilities. It's currently the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap after Bitcoin. Other popular coins include Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin, and XRP. Each of these coins has its unique features and potential for growth. The cryptocurrency market is highly unpredictable and subject to significant price swings, which makes it a high-risk investment. However, some investors believe that the potential rewards outweigh the risks. The adoption of cryptocurrencies by major institutions, including Tesla and PayPal, has boosted the credibility of digital assets and increased their mainstream appeal. These are just a few highlights on the topic of cryptocurrency. The stock market has been highly volatile in recent years, with sharp rises and falls in response to global events such as the COVID-19 pandemic and political uncertainty. Despite this volatility, the stock market has generally been on an upward trend in the long term, with major indices such as the S&P 500 and Nasdaq hitting record highs in 2021. The economy has been recovering from the pandemic-induced recession, with strong growth in certain sectors such as technology and e-commerce. However, there are still concerns about inflation and the impact of supply chain disruptions on various industries. Investors are closely watching the actions of the Federal Reserve, which has kept interest rates low in an effort to stimulate economic growth. Any changes to this policy could have significant effects on the stock market. For those who are new to investing, it's important to understand the basics of stock market investing, such as diversification, risk management, and the importance of a long-term strategy. These are just a few highlights on the topic of the stock market and the economy. I hope this information is helpful for you. Here are also some highlights on various ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone else's product and earning a commission for every sale through your unique affiliate link. It's a popular way to make money online, but success depends on finding the right products to promote and building an engaged audience. E-commerce involves selling products directly through your own online store or marketplace platforms such as Amazon and eBay. It requires setting up an efficient supply chain, managing inventory, and optimizing your online presence for maximum visibility. Online courses and coaching have become increasingly popular, with many experts monetizing their knowledge by creating digital courses, webinars, and coaching programs. Success in this area requires identifying a profitable niche, creating high-quality content, and building a loyal audience. Freelancing involves offering your services online, whether it be writing, graphic design, or coding. It requires building a strong portfolio, setting competitive prices, and marketing yourself effectively to potential clients. Online investments, such as trading stocks or cryptocurrency, can be a way to earn money online, but it requires significant knowledge and understanding of the market and associated risks. These are just a few examples of ways to make money online. It's essential to research and understand the opportunities and potential pitfalls before diving in. Our experts will share their insights to help you maximize your earnings potential and avoid common mistakes. Finally, we'll wrap up the video with some practical tips on financial planning. We'll cover everything from budgeting to retirement planning, so you can create a roadmap to financial freedom. Thanks for tuning into today's featured video, and as always, stay tuned for more valuable content from the Money Maestro.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.